Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to use Flutter in PC. If you want to use the Flutter, then you have to simply install it. And the process is super easy and simple to do it. You have to go to the browser and then you have to search for Flutter, or you can also search for Flutter download. Then you will get to its website, click onto that link and the website will open. If you want to explore, you can do it. Otherwise, you can click on get started and then you have to choose in which system you would like to go with. I'm going with a Windows, and you have to choose which way you want to work in, like you want to develop something for your mobile, for web, or maybe for other options. So simply select any one of these. Once you have selected your desired option, then you will be onto this page. Scroll down and you will see the option to install the Flutter SDK. So first you have to download its file, and after that you also have to make sure that you have the VS Code to run it. So once it get downloaded, it will be into zip. You have to extract it, and after that you have to copy that file and you have to go to your C disk and then you have to paste it there. Once you have pasted it, it will get extracted, and after that it will also get copied there. Then after that you have to open that folder, again open the Flutter option, and then you have to simply look for this one which is called the bin. Click onto it, and once you're there, on the top you will see that path, like the location. You have to simply copy this one. After the copy, we have to go into the environmental variables. So for that you have to click onto that search icon, and then we have to search for environmental variables. Once you get the option related to it, click onto it, and on this page you will see environmental variables. Click onto it. Now at the bottom you have to look for the path, do a click onto it, and after that you have to simply click on new, and the path we copied, you have to paste it and click on OK and make sure it get again OK so we can save it. Once we have done it, then we have to simply go and search for the command prompt. In this command prompt we have to type the Flutter and press the enter key, and if it is installed there, you will see its version and all of its information. That means it has been successfully installed and we can use it. You can check out all of this information to make sure that it has officially installed in the PC. Once it is installed and everything is as per your choice, then we have to go and open the VS Code. So for that you can close this window and open the VS Code. Once it gets open, now you will be onto this page. Now on this left side you have to simply search for Flutter in the extensions. In the extensions you have to simply install the Flutter extension. Once it get installed, then we will be able to use it. Then simply open a new project where we can use the Flutter. Once you have the project, we have to search for Shift Control plus P, and after that you will see this Flutter new project option, and then you can select any one of these option, and after that you have to select the folder and you will be able to use Flutter. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.